So something I thought I should do, or might do, or I don't know if it will help, is to walk through, I guess, the way I think through quizzes. If you're taking a multiple choice quiz like you would take an open-ended quiz, I think you're probably wasting a lot of time. Well, let's see how long this takes. You were given 13 minutes in class. Okay, so this is quiz 8. Here we go. Using the given substitution, find dy dx. I mean, there's no way the answer choice is B already. Oh, I have to get a pen. Right? It's too boring. So I guess we're supposed to be dy du is 4u cubed, and du dx is equal to negative sine of x dx. And so we're supposed to resubstitute, and 4 cosine cubed times negative sine of x. Oh shoot, dx. That's something else in the future. And so the other thing is, read through every single answer choice. I'm crossing off the first one. There's no way. I already crossed off B. C doesn't have the negative. Dang. No shortcuts here. I think we just have to rewrite this as 7 minus 8x to the power negative 1/2, which has a derivative. It says dy dx. Why waste time? Negative 1/2 of 7 minus 8x to the power negative 3/2. And then chain rule times negative 8. So we actually get positive 4 over, let's see, the square root of 7 minus 8x. Oh, we don't actually care. All right? All we care about is the exponent, and we don't need to rewrite. I'm just used to that. Find the slope of the curve, the line that's tangent to the curve. So I just need to find the slope at 1 pi. So product rule. And so what's that going to be? 4y times 2x minus pi plus sine of y dy dx. Don't forget your chain rule equals 0. I guarantee somebody didn't take that correctly. And then I'm going to put in 1 pi. So 4 dy dx, I'm not going to show that, plus 4 times 1, so that's 8 pi. And sine of pi is 0. And so I get dy dx is equal to negative 8 pi over 4. I'm not going to write 2 pi or negative 2 pi. I'm just going to circle it and move on. We don't need to simplify. So I told you guys to memorize this derivative, 1 over 2 root stuff. And hopefully you did. Sine of 8x. And chain rule times cosine of 8x times 8. No. There's only one that's close. I'm not reading the answers too clearly or too carefully. I'm trying to go through this to show you the correct speed so that you have time to go back. So still finding the derivative, and it says dy dx, we don't care, so that's secant to the first power, and times secant x tangent x. And so we just need to make sure tangent, there's one, I'm pretty sure it's this, it's tangent squared it is. Make sure you're eliminating answer choices. Okay, so we want the line tangent at 4, 0. So that's 2x plus 2y dy dx minus 2 plus 4 dy dx equals 0. And we can pretty much divide out all those 2's. So the x is 4. Plus the y is 0, minus 1, plus 2 dy dx equals 0. And so that looks like that's going to be negative 3 over 2. Only one of these has a slope that's anywhere close. Okay, find dy dx. 5 dy dx minus 6x equals 1. And so plus 6x over 5. Okay, nothing crazy here. And we're going to get a negative, not cosecant, no. Just eliminate answer choices. Okay. Position of a particle moving along the coordinate line is this. Oh, find the particle's velocity. So this position, we want velocity at 1. S prime is 1 over 2 root 6 plus 10t. Chain rule times 10. So that's going to be 10 over 2, 5, over the square root of 16, because we're going to put in 1, so 5/4. Y double prime is pretty easy. Okay, so that took me 6 minutes, 15 seconds. About half. It should probably take you about 3 times as long, which is why this was graded. What was this one? This one was out of 8. This was a little bit harder than I thought it should have been. You didn't quite have enough time. So I'm curious if that was helpful, or would it be more helpful instead of seeing the speed to have a more in-depth one?